In this video, I'll show you how to connect a payment gateway in Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to use. From the main dashboard, open Commerce and select Payments. Next, review the payment processors available for your store. Depending on your location and Squarespace setup, you may see options such as Squarespace Payments, Stripe, or PayPal. Choose the payment gateway you want to connect. After that, click Connect or Set Up next to your chosen payment provider. Follow the instructions to sign in to your payment account or create a new one. You may need to provide business and verification information before the connection is completed. Now, return to the Payments section in Squarespace and confirm that your payment gateway shows as connected. Review the available payment methods and make sure the options you want customers to use are enabled. Next, check your store settings and make sure your products have the correct prices, taxes, and checkout settings. Then, place a test order if your setup allows it, so you can confirm that payments are being processed correctly. Finally, publish your website if you haven't already. Customers can now use the enabled payment methods when they check out through your Squarespace store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect a payment gateway in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.